come down in a shimmering rain. Oh, for the yearning in my days. I will stand before you as I pray. Take me up to a higher plane. Blackened stump bleached by the sun. Oh, for the yearning in my days. Reaching up to kingdom come. There will be no brighter day. Blinding light flash off the sea. Oh God, the northern shore. Each bend and curve beckon me. Shake me to my very core. Blinding light flash off the sea. Oh God, the northern shore. Each bend and curve beckon me. Shake me to my very core. Pic Island arc in a perfect form. Oh, for the yearning in my days. In the arms of the north I am reborn. be no brighter day. So give me blacks and give me blues, oh, for the whites and the yellows too. From them upland subtler hues, there will be no brighter day. Where the lake goes on beyond my eyes, and the light goes on beyond my dreams, where the spirit grows, it never dies, where the west wind blows the jack pine leaves, where the lake goes on beyond my eyes, and the light goes on beyond my dreams, where the spirit grows and never dies, where the west wind blows the jack pine leaves. The sea, the wind. Days are long and days are full. I fall asleep at day's end. I lost track of the month I'm in. Sailor, sailor. Simpler here at the end of the world. Reduced to simple things: the blinding sun, the blue on white, the gliding birds, arc of wing. Lost part of myself within the sailor. Sailor, there are times I think of you that just brings me pain. Keep it simple when you're lost, but there you are again. Hard lost to the sea and wind and the sailor. Sailor, now some go home and some do not. Some see again. Keep it simple when you're lost, heart lost to the sea and wind. Lost part of myself within. Sailor, sailor. It's simpler here at the end of the world. The ice, the sea, the wind. Days are long and days are full. I fall asleep at day's end, lost track of the month I'm in. See there